Okay guys, I'm going to do activity 1.2.4, drawing number 2 in Fusion. I'm going to go ahead and start out here. I got my dimension drawing. I'm going to draw the bottom, and I'm going to draw it as 3 inches wide by 1.5 inches deep. So I'll start here with this. I'm going to go ahead and I'll do dimensioning. I'll make that 1.5, enter. And this I'm going to make 3. I'll finish my sketch, and I'm going to extrude this up a total of 3 inches. That's a nice little start. Now I'm going to remove a bit of material. So I'm going to sketch right here, and I'm going to draw a rectangle on here. I'm going to come up to this corner and lock that and come down here, and then I'll dimension. That is going to be 2 inches, and then that is also going to be 2 inches. I'll finish sketch, and then I'm going to extrude this in as a cut negative 0.75 inches, and I'll hit OK. I'm now going to remove a little piece up here, so I'll go ahead and I'll sketch here, and again I'll start in this top left corner, come over here, and just so happens is that 1 by 1, 1 by 1. If I look at that dimension, that's already 1. I'll just hit enter to get off that. I'll hit that, and that's correct. I'll finish my sketch, and then I'll extrude that as a cut. So through a subtractive process, I put a block in there and then removed a little bit out, but that is drawing number 2 for activity 1.2.4.